Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about such a useful plugin that is basically a combination of 10 plugins so that you can easily use all of the functionalities only in single plugin instead of installing 10 separate plugins. So let's go and start installing that free plugin. You can go and click on add plugin and here you can type ASE. So this one, admin and site enhancements. So this is the short name, and here you can see 2 lakh plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So you can install it and then click on activate button. And now here you can see under the tools enhancements, you can go here and here you can see this one is the interface. So first of all we can go to admin interface. So the first option is clean up admin bar, and what it does, it will remove different elements from the admin bar. So let's try and check, and here you can see these are the options that you want to remove. For example, if you want to remove home icon and site name, so this one, let's try, and after that click on save changes. Here you can see this one is removed. And if you want to hide admin bar, then you can enable. So you can select user roles for which you want to hide this admin bar, and then wider admin menu. So you can select the width. So for example, let me select 300, and now we will check, it will increase this one. So click on save changes, and now here you can see this menu is wider. So now let's go back and select this one 180 and click on save changes. Next is admin menu organizer. So you can organize these menu items. So let's go and enable, and after that you can go to admin menu that is available under the settings. You can go here and click on admin menu, and here you can sort out admin menu items. So here you can see this one, post media. So for example, if I drag it here and media is on the top of posts, click on save changes. Now let's reload this page, and here you can see now media is on the top. Go to login tab. So you can easily change login URL. So that is the best feature, so that you can easily secure your website from hackers. You can go and change the default URL, this one, expand it, and here you can add anything. For example, let me add enable, and after that click on save changes, and after that you can add site identity on login page. So you can customize your login page. This one, let me show you. So this one, and now simply you can enable, but after that make sure that you have added your website logo. And now here you can see logo is updated. So let's go and again login into website, then go back to the tools and enhancements. After that, if you want to add any type of custom code, then you can go here and you can easily add code in website header, body and footer. So let's enable, then expand. For example, let me go here and copy this one HTML tag, and add here. After that, click on save changes. And now if you want to duplicate any type of content, then you can use this one, content management. You can enable this feature, and after that select the list view, then click on save changes. So let's go to pages, and now you can easily duplicate any page. So let's go and try to duplicate this one. Now here you can see page is duplicated. And then you can enable svg upload, so you don't need to install any separate plugin to enable svg file uploads. Then avif upload, this one you can also enable. So now if you want to secure your website, then you can use this one, limit login attempts. So you can allow users to log in into your website, for example 3 times, 2 times. So that is also important for the website security. Then for in optimization, you can control the images that you are uploading. So you can select the maximum width and height. So for example, if you start uploading images in 4K format, then your website speed can slow down and occupy a huge space in server. Then go to utilities, and here you can see this one, redirect 404 to the home page. So this one is also important. And if you are working on the website, then you can simply enable this one, maintenance mode. So you can also add the custom text. So these are the useful features that you can easily use in a single plugin.